Welcome to Woven Deal, where we break down the complex world of modern business tools to help you make smart software investments. Finding the right software as a service solution can feel completely overwhelming because thousands of platforms claim to solve your exact problems. Our goal is to give you clear, honest, and educational reviews of top business applications so you can decide what actually deserves your hard-earned budget. We focus on real-world utility, overall value, and how easily these tools fit into your existing operations. Stick with us as we walk through everything you need to know about evaluating software effectively for your growing team. When analyzing modern software, the first area you must evaluate is pure performance under real working conditions. A platform might look fantastic in a polished promotional video, but it needs to handle your actual daily workload without lagging, freezing, or crashing. You should always look at speed, reliability, server uptime statistics, and how smoothly the system handles large data sets. If a tool slows down your team while they are trying to process customer orders or manage projects, it costs you time and money. High-performance applications build trust across your entire team because people can get their work done without unnecessary technical friction. Workflow integration is the second critical pillar when testing any new platform for your business operations. No application exists in a vacuum today, which means your new subscription must communicate seamlessly with your current software stack. Look closely at built-in native integrations, application programming, interface access, and compatibility with standard automation tools. When platforms connect effortlessly, your data flows automatically between departments without requiring manual data entry or messy copy and paste routines. Smooth integration reduces human error, keeps your record-keeping accurate, and saves your employees dozens of repetitive hours every single month. Evaluating software subscription values requires looking far beyond the initial price tag listed on a pricing page. You need to calculate the true return on investment by comparing total costs against time saved, automated tasks, and increased team productivity. Many companies fall into the trap of buying cheap tools that lack critical features, forcing them to purchase additional add-ons later. Conversely, paying for enterprise tiers loaded with complicated tools your team will never touch is an equally wasteful habit. The ideal subscription offers clear feature tiers, predictable billing cycles, transparent scaling costs, and generous room for your business to grow. Educational overviews play a crucial role in helping business owners cut through slick marketing hype and aggressive sales tactics. Traditional software advertisements usually showcase ideal scenarios while hiding steep learning curves, missing functionality, and unexpected hidden charges. Objective educational reviews focus on real user experiences, actual setup times, and practical day-to-day work scenarios that matter to real workers. By understanding both the strong points and the genuine limitations of a platform beforehand, you protect your company budget. Informed decisions save you from the expensive headache of migrating away from a poorly chosen platform later down the line. Customer support availability and training resources are essential components of software value that many buyers completely forget to check. Even the most intuitive user interface will occasionally present technical glitches or confuse new team members during setup. You should investigate whether a software creator offers live chat support, responsive email ticketing, clear documentation, or video walkthroughs. Strong vendor support drastically reduces system downtime and helps your staff learn new features much faster. A platform with mediocre features but outstanding customer service will often serve your business far better than a feature-rich tool. User interface design directly impacts how quickly your team accepts and uses a newly purchased software platform. If an interface is cluttered, confusing, or poorly organized, your staff will resist using it and revert to old manual habits. Clean navigation, logical visual menus, and responsive design allow users to find critical actions without endless clicking. Good design minimizes training time for new hires and keeps daily frustration levels low across your entire organization. Prioritizing software with exceptional user experience guarantees that your investment actually gets used to its full potential every single day. Data security and privacy compliance standards must be thoroughly reviewed before you upload any sensitive company information to a cloud service. You should always verify that the vendor uses modern encryption protocols for data both in transit and at rest. Check for compliance certifications that match your specific industry standards, especially if you handle sensitive customer financial records. Reliable software providers are completely transparent about their data centers, backup schedules, security audits, and privacy policies. Protecting your customer data is vital for maintaining your business reputation and avoiding severe legal or financial penalties. Scalability is another major factor that separates decent applications from truly exceptional enterprise-level business solutions. A software package that perfectly suits a 3-person team might completely fall apart when your business expands to 50 employees. You must analyze how well the platform manages multiple user permission levels, workspace administration, and increased data storage capacity. Upgrading your plan should be a simple setting adjustment rather than a painful, disruptive system migration process. Planning for future growth today prevents severe operational bottlenecks when your customer base rapidly multiplies tomorrow. Customization options allow you to tailor an off-the-shelf software package to match your unique operational requirements. Every business has specific workflows, unique tracking metrics, and specialized reporting needs that generic setups cannot satisfy. High-quality software allows you to create custom fields, personalized dashboards, flexible status tags, and unique automated triggers. However, you should avoid over-customizing software to the point where it becomes overly complex or fragile during standard software updates. Finding the right balance between out-of-the-box functionality and flexible customization keeps your business running smoothly without adding technical complexity. Mobile accessibility has transitioned from a nice bonus feature into an absolute necessity for modern, distributed workforces. Employees frequently need to check project status, approve customer requests, or access vital data while traveling or working away from desks. Evaluating a platform involves testing its mobile applications on different operating systems to ensure feature parity with desktop versions. Mobile tools should offer fast load times, reliable push notifications, and clear layouts that work well on smaller screens. Empowering your workforce to stay connected anywhere dramatically improves overall business responsiveness and customer satisfaction levels. Reporting and analytics capabilities convert your raw operational data into actionable insights for long-term strategic decisions. Standard software packages often include basic metric tracking, but advanced business tools offer powerful, customizable reporting dashboards. You need to verify if the application lets you filter data easily, export clean reports, and track historical trends over time. Having clear visual charts helps management quickly identify operational bottlenecks, track employee output, and spot strategic growth opportunities. Accurate data visual analytics take the guesswork out of planning your business expansion strategy. Initial onboarding and implementation speed dictate how fast your business begins seeing a positive return on its software investment. Some software platforms allow you to create an account and begin working productively within a couple of hours. Other complex enterprise platforms might require weeks of custom configuration, data migration assistance, and intensive employee training workshops. You must assess whether your internal team has the time and technical skill required to execute a lengthy rollout. Choosing a tool with a simple software setup process minimizes operational downtime and gets your team working productively right away. Contract terms and subscription flexibility protect your operational cash flow during unexpected economic downturns or seasonal business shifts. Many software vendors offer heavy discounts if you sign annual or multi-year contracts, but this locks your capital into long commitments. Monthly subscription options carry slightly higher per-month costs, but they give you the operational freedom to cancel or reduce user seats anytime. Evaluate your company cash flow stability and long-term project visibility before committing to long software service contracts. Maintaining subscription flexibility prevents your business from paying for unused software licenses during lean business periods. Global localization features are mandatory if your company operates internationally or hires remote team members across different countries. Top software applications support multiple display languages, flexible time zone adjustments, regional date formats, and foreign currency calculations. Without proper localization, international team members suffer communication mix-ups and errors when scheduling global projects or tracking financial figures. Furthermore, localized customer-facing interfaces ensure your business projects a professional image to global clients regardless of location. Investing in multilingual, globally aware software opens doors for seamless international business expansion. Selecting the ideal software subscription comes down to matching proven performance, seamless workflow integration, and fair pricing against your unique operational goals. Never rush into buying a platform based on fancy marketing demos or popular trending recommendations without testing it thoroughly yourself. Focus on tools that solve immediate operational friction points while offering clear scalability and top-tier security protections for your business data. We hope this deep exploration helps you make confident, cost-effective decisions for your company technology stack. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.